If Prolific shows 429, too many requests, don't worry. This error simply means Prolific temporarily blocked requests from your IP because too many actions happened in a short time. Let's fix it the right way. First, stop refreshing the page immediately. Constant refreshes trigger this error faster. Close the Prolific tab completely. Next, wait at least 10 to 20 minutes. This is important. Error 429 is a temporary rate limit, and Prolific usually removes it automatically after a short cooldown period. Now, restart your browser. Close all browser windows. Reopen your browser, then visit Prolific again. This clears stuck background requests. After that, log out and log back in to your Prolific account. This refreshes your session and helps reset request behavior. Also, turn off VPNs or proxies. Prolific often blocks shared or rotating IP addresses. Using your normal internet connection works best. If the error keeps happening, clear browser cache and cookies. Cached requests can repeatedly trigger the rate limit. As a final step, try a different browser or device. This helps confirm whether the issue is browser-related. Important tip: avoid auto-refresh extensions or constantly checking for studies. Let Prolific load naturally. In most cases, simply waiting and stopping refresh spam fixes error 429 completely.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.